Installation tutorial. Front lock, rear lock, lock tongue, square bar, buckle shell, buckle plate, accessories package, 4 pieces of number key battery, key, card. Install the front lock sleeve screws. Tighten with pliers. Insert the square rod. The hole of the square rod should be parallel to the handle. Push off the rear lock battery cover away. Install the tongue lock. Tighten the screw. Install the front lock. Pass the power cord parallel to the spring. Install the rear lock and make the power cord to the rear lock square hole. After adjusting the front lock and rear locks on the same street. After adjusting the front lock and rear locks on the same straightness, tighten the screw. Connect the power cord of the front lock and the rear lock. Tidy the power cord. Install the battery. Initialize. Install the battery cover. On the door frame, measure the appropriate hole position, punch holes, and install the buckle plate and buckle shell. Installation finished. Fingerprint unlock. Card unlock. Insert the key and press the knob to the right to unlock.